A strange stillness hangs in the air. Leaves tremble. The clouds churn silently above. Bruce Lee stands atop a high ridge, staring into the tree line. He senses it. The storm is coming. He descends the ridge, into the jungle's belly. 020, first strike of wind. A sudden gust blasts through the trees, snapping branches like twigs. Bruce plants his feet, adjusting his balance with subtle movements. He begins to move, swift, low to the ground, navigating trees as wind tears through the forest. 035, aerial traps unleashed. The wind activates ancient mechanisms, spinning blades, falling bamboo spears, and swinging pendulum logs. Bruce flows through it all, ducking, diving, and rolling, his motion fluid like air. He grabs a swinging log midair, uses it to launch himself over a wall of vines. 055, treetop test. He leaps up into the trees, running along thick branches, but the wind grows vicious. Branches snap behind him. He sprints forward, leaps to the next tree, just as the one behind collapses. A vine whips free and lashes toward him. He catches it, swings sideways, and lands in a clearing. 120, the hurricane heart. The wind suddenly halts. Stillness again. Then boom. A cyclone forms right above him, sucking debris into its spiral. In its center, a strange floating orb of air energy, glowing alive. The cyclone collapses, and from the orb forms a wind beast, shifting, translucent fast. Bruce readies his stance. Time to fight. 140 battle begins. The wind creature attacks with invisible force, sending gust punches that knock down trees. Bruce dodges, using tree trunks as cover, then rushes into land a flurry of strikes, his fists cutting the air. The beast reforms behind him. Bruce spins, jumps, lands a kick midair, but it's like hitting smoke. 210, strategy shift. He spots loose vines and a broken bamboo spear. He ties it together quickly, makes a makeshift harpoon. He leaps into the air, lets the wind lift him, spins with the storm, and drives the spear through the beast's core. 230, the turning point. The beast shrieks, fragments of wind spiraling away violently. Bruce chases its flickering form through the trees, bouncing off trunks, using the storm's pull to gain impossible momentum. With one final leap, he drops down like lightning, landing a devastating kick to the beast's heart. 255, the calm returns. The wind stops. Leaves settle. Trees stand still. The jungle breathes again. Bruce kneels, eyes closed. His chest rises, falls. Peace. 320, the recognition. A soft breeze circles him, gentle now, not threatening. It moves around him as if bowing. The jungle has tested him, and he has passed. 340, final shot. Bruce stands. Wind lifts dust around his feet as he walks away, disappearing into the trees undefeated.